The Milky Way is massive, but in the grand scheme of things, it's just a tiny speck. In fact, the entire Milky Way could fit into the universe as we know it 10 million times. And here's the kicker. The universe is expanding fast. In about 1 billion years, it'll be 10% bigger than it is today. But just how big is it right now? And could we ever truly map out its size? Let's find out. We start with what we can actually see, the observable universe. Since light has a speed limit, there's only so much of the universe we can detect. Scientists estimate that there are around 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe alone. But how do we figure out the size of the whole universe? This is where the Sloan Digital Sky Survey comes in. It's creating a three-dimensional map of the universe using precise coordinates. By measuring a property called redshift, scientists can determine how far galaxies are from the Milky Way. It's like building a colossal 3D movie of the cosmos. But there's a problem. The gravity from the galaxies we see isn't enough to hold the universe together. Something else is there. Something invisible. Scientists call it dark matter. We haven't detected it directly, but its effects, like the way galaxies spin, prove its existence. Imagine if only 1 out of every 6 cities on Earth had people. That's how much dark matter is out there, 6 times more than all the stars and dust combined. And if dark matter wasn't mysterious enough, there's something even stranger at play. Dark energy. In 2012, Professor Saul Perlmutter and his team discovered that the universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. And no one knows why. So scientists gave it a name, dark energy. It makes up about 68% of the universe, and bizarrely, it doesn't dilute as the universe expands. More space means more dark energy. So if we can't measure the universe directly, what can we do? Well, scientists figured out something incredible. They measured the shape of space itself. They plotted a gigantic triangle using points in deep space, and the result? Space is flat. Not flat like a piece of paper, but in terms of geometry. If the universe were curved, light would eventually loop back on itself. But it doesn't. This suggests that the universe might be infinite. So what does this all mean? We could be living in a universe that stretches infinitely in all directions, an ever-expanding cosmos filled with galaxies upon galaxies, and yet we've only just begun to uncover its secrets. The more we map, the more questions we uncover. But one thing is certain, the universe is far bigger, stranger, and more mind-blowing than we ever imagined. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible space discoveries. See you in the next one.